guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to push code from GitHub. First of all, we will need to have the git bash terminal and right click on the mouse and then you will get it. So first of all, we need to type some codes we have. First, we will type git init and then we will go to git add period and git commit m. All right, initial commit, enter. Another git process seems to be running. Okay, so we already know it. Git remote add origin. Okay, so we'll just copy this text. All right, git at github.com website style press test 00010.git. okay, git branch, all right, and finally git push in the main code. Okay, so if you can check over here, if it's an error, that means that you need to redo this one in your terminal after you have opened your GitHub. If this video has helped you, please give it a like, subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Thank you.